Hello. Hi guys. I kind of want to start giving you a better idea of budgets and everything. I'm not the best when it comes to that, but I'm still learning. So we're going to have our videos where it's something similar to that. I'm looking here and it's showing you on Excel how to make your first pivot table, formula, a list of different things. It's another little section that I'm seeing over here. Um, and on here, employee absent weekly schedule, projects, invoicing. That's pretty cool. How to do your own invoice. So if I'm here and then I might say budget. So now click on budget, personal budget, weekly budget, bill paying checklist, all the way over here. This one's like a college budget, general ledger budget, and different things. So I kind of want to start getting a little better with this stuff. So I guess I could do the personal monthly budget and I'll just press create and then you'll see something like that. So I think that this is pretty fun, pretty cool. I've never used this before, but I'm gonna go through it and just, as you can see, like over here it's just like entertainment and things, loans, transportation, and I already got a car and an insurance, taxes, food, savings, pets, things like that. So I do like that. Or you don't have to do this personal monthly budget at all. Like for right here, you can put your income, extra income. Y'all know I show apartments, so I will put APT, apartments. And then making sure I spell things right. Finances, and then you just go ahead and you don't have to put your exact, but you can put something similar, how much ever you make. And then when I show apartments, every person who signs and moving in, that's 150 for each person. It's just exciting. So I mean, I'm gonna put some any old type of numbers in here. Actual, so projected. Well, depending on what kind of job you got, you should know how much you get every month. And then, this is a job that I do that's like flex versus when I do Lyft too. When I used to do Lyft back in the day, that was flex too. So, you can use whichever one you want. Right here, I would just go rent. If you want to put mortgage, that's cool too. Mortgage is cool too. If you, working towards owning your house, that's nice. So right here, I'll just put the basics, just the little things. And then I'll put like 30 because I paid for my iPhone, but I have, what is it called? Man, I got the, a little plan. So I got that, my electric and gas and everything is together. So you would just put electric, but then you also go up here and you change it and then you do gas, because electric and gas can go together sometimes depending on the places. Water, here is 60 cable and stuff. The cable is the water and everything kind of added together. Trash removal, that's all added in the water. And then maintenance, repairs, supplies, and other. So you can see projected cost, actual cost. I like this. I've never really used this like that because y'all know I wasn't like in Excel. So I'm working on, bettering myself. Why not go in Excel and practice some things that you like? So right here, I would do like car rent, or rent phone. Okay, let me go ahead and put car. And then eventually I'll get another car. So go ahead and put that. And then, actually it's not that. Let me go ahead and change this. But you can put your real numbers if you want in there. So that's pretty cool. And then right here is showing you the difference between what you do. So I would just say CC, right? And then for me, sometimes it might be $100. So I would just say, 3 for like a month or something. And then an actual, I might do 3, or it might go up and down. Sometimes I might not want to be spending that much. Or I want to pay double payments, right? So I got that video games, entertainment, and things over here. I don't really do things like that. I might go out for food or something. But right here, okay, now that I'm talking about food, let me go ahead and put groceries. This just seems cool. I like this. Okay, so I know usually we spend like 150 every few weeks or something, but then when we're going out to eat, I don't know what that is either. That might be different. So I got something like this. So what I'm gonna do is just take this and then I'm gonna control and I'm going to copy it. Gonna open a new tab here and I'm going to paste, and this is giving me nice Hold on one second. Let me double tap on this screen so we can see the amount since it's big. This is giving me nice little practice, you know? So this is a little budget for me. Hold on. Let's tap at the top here, and then we're going to go over here to wrap the text so that you can see it a little bit better. And then this whole section, I want it bold so that you can see it very well. So I've been learning a little bit. CC means credit card, y'all. And then, you know, you can just go and, let's see. Oh, sorry. Go ahead and copy, and then you can go ahead and clear for that stuff. So it can just be something like this and this, and then shift, control, and then insert a little pivot table if I wanted to do that. And then right here is saying the different sheets you have or something. So you just press OK. A pivot table is not valid to create. You must use the data organized in a columns list. Create a new name. Okay. So go back. So right here, let's go ahead, go here, and then delete. Let's try it again. Usually I have a little bit more, I'm just trying to see how, if I know how to like create one off the bat. Okay, and there's a pivot table on the side here. And then you just go off the categories. You can see that the pivot table is over there, but yeah, I just wanted to go back. So I'm gonna go back a little and then go ahead and do the budget. Okay, so if I go here and then I just press the sum of this from here to here, and then I just do that, that's my total of you know, expenses and everything. That's definitely not everything, because sometimes, you know, you want to go out for some clothes or get a little food or something. Make it a little larger because it's hard to see. Rent, phone, electricity, gas, car. Excuse me, I forgot something. Let me go ahead and add that in there. Car insurance, right? Snacks, etc. I might not add that, but you go ahead and you add that in there, and then it'll change them out. So see, every time I can just go ahead and insert a column, and then I can add something else, right? I forgot the car insurance. So right here, I would just say gas, right? So gas, I usually put like $20–$25 in my car. So for a whole, oh, and I forgot train tickets. So gas, let me go ahead and do that. And then I gotta insert another. Train, right? So the train is $45 every 2 weeks, but I'm doing monthly expenses. So I would say $90. So it's $45. But then I gotta say my gas, I spend like usually like $50 in a month. So I would just say that right there, and then, you know, you would take the rest of your money that you you know, make in, depending on, let me go ahead and put this over here 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm practicing. So you would take this amount right here, copy, and then put that amount right here, paste, or rather, hold on, back. So let me just write the amount, 2542. And then depending on whatever you make, sometimes it'll be a little more because of my showing apartments. That's just a little money to put in your pocket. But guys, if you wanted to just put a salary right here for how much you're making out of the month, right? You just put that. I'm just going to wing it and put anything down here. I'm not going to put the real amount, but you can just showing you guys an example of how you would subtract as well. And then you see that, right, this might be like gross. So go ahead and knock it down to something that's a little more realistic once you're doing your you know, amounts. So go ahead and then do something like that. Oh, not some. I'm wondering how to do the subtraction, right? So go ahead and do that. Or you can just do equals this minus this closed equal, and then that's how much it equals, to where like you probably should knock this down a little bit more, because if you want to do gross, you got to think about the taxes that they take out of accounts and things. So go ahead, change, and that changes. And then right here, depending on, you know, everybody different, you know, you can just go ahead and hold on, let me go ahead and finish fixing this up a little so you can see. You know, this is a little bit of practice, and I'm proud that I can even do this. You know, it's pretty fun. Uh-oh, that's not the right way to do it. Yeah, but just something like that. You can just say, oh, well, I know what I got to do. I know I have to do, I know I got to do the gas on this time. I know I got to do the rent at this time, phone. And this is just basic necessities, So thank God for that. And yeah, this is just how you create a simple budget using Excel. And then you would take your amount. You can do your gross, but it would make sense to do the net. So yeah, it would make sense to do the net income, expenses, and then your remainder. The remainder of the income from subtracting from your expenses. So yeah, that's pretty good to give you a little monthly budget, and it's pretty cool to do. I like this. It was fun, so I think I should do this again. Thank you so much. Bye. And if you ever wanted to click, oh, hold on one second. I want to show you guys one more thing. If you ever wanted to click here, it'll say like totals, average. It'll say like a table, let you put in a table, sum, average, count, total, running total. I don't really need any of this, but I'll still be learning like what some of that stuff means. So thank you. That's a simple budget. Bye. See y'all in the next Excel video.